Okay, I got a lot of people inquiring if I can do a quick video on this. This is how to swipe somebody else's squeeze page. Right now, this is a big product push by a lot of big gurus, and Steve Clayton and Tim Godfrey have a lot of JV partners, and they'll be reciprocating on their mailings. Uh, they've also teamed up with Kate Anderson on this, who lives only about 20 minutes from me in Little PEI. She does a lot of private label rights products for people. But at any rate, this is what you do. This is their squeeze page. Right now, when you send traffic to the squeeze page at infoprodigy.com, it gets on their email list. Okay, it builds up Tim Godfrey's and Steve Clayton's email list. It doesn't build up your list. So this is how to circumvent that and put them on your autoresponder instead. And what you want to do, you want to check out the different links here. It has a video, it has an autoresponder, has some links on the bottom that you want to redirect to your site. As also, you want to opt in here, and you want to see what's going on with the autoresponder. Opt in yourself. Swipe their autoresponder series. You can also click on view and hit the page source. And where is it going to redirect to? Okay, here it is right here. Here's the autoresponder code right here. Here's the end form tag. The beginning of the form tag is right here. It is right here. Here's the beginning of the autoresponder form tag. From form to form is their code. And as you can see here, it has a confirmation. So after you click on the submit button, it brings you to this page right here. I want to copy that, and here is I want to open up a new tab, and I want to paste that in there. So that's where it goes to. So you want to download the report. You want to put the report on your server, and all you need to do is go to their squeeze page here and click on File, Save Page As, and you want to save it as an index. Make sure it's web page complete, and I'm going to open up a new folder here, and I'm going to call it Info Prodigy. Okay, and I want to open that up. So it's going to be Info Prodigy, and I want to save as, and I want to visit the thank you page. I want to do the same thing, and I want to save this page too, and I want to save that just like that. Okay, from there I want to open up my HTML editor like Envu, or I want to go to a place like Dreamweaver. So I will open up my Dreamweaver, I will put it on pause and come back. Okay, I put it inside my downloads. It is open that up right there and there. Let's open up the index first. And there it is there. So you want to look at the code here. I'll go to View and Design and Code and bring it up a little bit. Okay, so we want to look at the autoresponder code. This is what we want to change. You want to change the links down here. Right now, the links down here are they're all going to he's using Commission Blueprint terms of service. So, for example, I can put in my markdulisse.com / I think I have a terms of service on my blog. I can use that of service. I think that's my web page there for terms of service. So you can replace all the links on the bottom. You can put in your contact. Right now it's mail to Commission Blueprint, but I can put mail to mark@markdulisse.com. So, okay, so you want to replace all the footer links to yours, and you want to look at this autoresponder code here. Here's the autoresponder code, and obviously right now here is his category 1. It's a get response, and that is his right here. This is his campaign name. So I want to go to my get response, and I want to replace this with my campaign name, and so I will use info prodigy. Okay, Info Prodigy. So that I'll create a campaign name called this. I'll put this on pause and grab that phone. Okay, I'm back. So we replace the autoresponder code to our value, to our campaign name. You want to put the thanks. This is going to go to Mark Dulisse. You want to change the confirmation and the error page, and I'm going to put this in a subfolder called Info Prodigy. And you want to change the confirmation to same thing here. Okay, so it's going to go to Mark Dulisse. So you're going to put all these pages on your own server. Info Prodigy. Okay, you can see here it has a video, so it has the player. Make sure that these are on your server and SWF, and that's fine. Okay, it should have been saved when you did all this. This here is an order button. That's saved there. This image there. Okay, let's see this image there. All right, let's check out the images real fast. Okay, and I'm going to see if there's any script. If there's any Google Analytics, you can take those off. So check to see if there's any Google Analytics. A lot of time they're at the bottom, right before the closing body tag. You can see if there's any other scripts that he has here, any pop-ups. That should not be on. I don't see any other scripts. I don't even see Google Analytics, which is unusual. Okay, I don't see any other scripts. All right, so that's it there. Okay, so we're going to save that, and I'm going to save that. You can open up the thank you. This is the download, and you want to make sure that you can also personalize it. You can put thank you. And put Dulisse. You can personalize it. You see that? You can personalize it, and so it looks like your marketing is integrated with Tim Godfrey's and Steve Clayton's. And you want to look at the download here, and right now it's downloaded from Amazon, and so you want to put this on your own server. So download the report and put it on your own server, and so it can be Mark Dulisse and info. So download the report and put that report on your own server, and again change the links that they're going to your site, and I can save that. Okay, so now I'm going to open up my FTP software. Okay, I'm going to open up my FTP software here, and this is my hard drive. This is my my HTML on Mark Dulisse, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to drop that folder called Info Prodigy. I'm going to look for Info Prodigy. There it is right there. I'm going to take this whole folder and I'm going to drag it over here. And we'll see what takes place. Okay, let's just put on pause until it's all done. Oh, it's all done already. So now it's right here. So I'm going to go to Mark Dulisse. I'm going to go to Mark Dulisse Info Prodigy, and let's see what happens. Let's bring up the web browser. Here it is right here. So let's go to let me bring this up here. Let's go to Mark Dulisse Info Prodigy. Let's bring that up, and as you can see here, this comes up, and the only thing that doesn't come up, this is going to my autoresponder code, and if I go to the thanks, here's the thank you page, but you'll notice that the only thing that doesn't come up on the markdulisse.com info prodigy is the video, and I figured out why. What you need to do here, it's got some files here. It's got the player and the SWF inside the index files. Let me just open this up here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's got the player and the SWF. You want to have these inside here, but you also want them in this subfolder here, so which is right here. Okay, so you want to put them right here. Grab Control for both of them and put them here as well. So now we got these two files right here on the main subfolder as well as inside the index. Okay. Now let's come back here. Let's refresh. You see that? I just saved you about an hour of time trying to figure out how that would work. All right. So now it's on our domain. Looks just like the squeeze page. If we go to the thanks, it's integrated marketing. You know, from Mark Dulisse. Thank you for downloading the report. And so integrated, and this download report is on our server. Okay. You can see here that obviously, in terms of service links, goes to this should go to my blog.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video.
See that? You want? Okay, I don't have this. Oops. See that URL? I did a typo. So you want to make sure that they all go to your site, and you want to make sure that that's all going very, very well. Okay. So this is on my site here. All right, so I just wanted to show you exactly how that's done. If I put in my email address, click get instant access, that's going to go to my autoresponder, and you want to swipe their autoresponder series, and that's how you do it very, very quickly to build up your list using another person's very hyped up product launch. Thank you. Mark Dulisse signing off.